one of the thousands of people who have directly experienced the coronavirus. Maybe your symptoms were quite mild, or maybe they were very severe. But coronavirus settles deep into the system, and the recovery from it can be very slow. My name is Prune. I'm an energy expert. I've been able to see energy since I was born, and I've worked in clinical practice with thousands of clients to help them understand how, through simple but powerful energy exercises and techniques, they can really rediscover their full health and full vitality. Now, I experienced coronavirus, and although the symptoms were fairly mild, I was unwell for 3 weeks. And I noticed in my own energy system, as well as in friends and colleagues, that there is a lot that you can be doing to support your body's full recovery. Now, the human energy system is the foundation of your health. By understanding your energy and how you're able to support it, then it means you're able to support your physical health, your mental health, and your vitality. Now, I want to bring these understandings forward for you in your recovery. And I've put together a 9-day program, totally free of charge, to support you in really finding your full health back. Many of you will still be feeling very tired through the day, maybe especially from the middle of the afternoon. Some of you will still be experiencing tightness around your breathing and even headaches. So let's get rid of them. I'm going to be sending you an email every day for 9 days with a video of exercises that you can do to really support your full recovery. I know that they were so helpful for me when I was ill and in my recovery to full vitality, and I look forward to sharing them with you. You can sign up at my website, pruneharris.com, and I really look forward to working with you together so that you can feel your fullest once more. Bye-bye.